Hello, my name is Linda. Welcome to my channel. I would like to thank all the new subscribers for subscribing, as well as the old subscribers for following. Thank you for your support. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you. Today, I'm going to be making a beef loin. You will need a beef loin, garlic powder, pepper, Famous Dave's steak and burger seasoning, and butter. There is no sponsors for any products mentioned or used in my videos. On to the recipe. The next thing to do would be to melt your butter in a microwave. Foil line your pan for easier cleanup. Preheat oven to 300. I cut it to fit it into the pan. Now we're going to brush it with butter and sprinkle it with the spices. Now we're going to brush it with butter. And then we'll put on the spices. Now I'm putting the Famous Dave spice on. Then we have to do the garlic powder, because I like garlic. We got to do it to both sides. And sprinkle it with pepper. I'm using the fine brown. I put the rest of the stick of butter that I actually had melted. Now I'm going to add some water. You don't need too much water because you don't want it standing in water. You just want to coat the bottom. I'm going to put it in the oven. I'm going to bake it at 300. Now since I like mine well done, I'll bake it about 25 minutes. If you like it rare, 15 minutes per pound. Medium will be about 20 minutes per pound. Since I like it well done, I'm doing it 25 minutes per pound. It will take about an hour and a half for mine. I just took it out of the oven to take a temperature on it. It's about 140 degrees. If you like it medium, it'd be 160 degrees we have to get it at. But I like mine towards 170. So what I'm going to do now is put foil on it. Take the thermometer out and put a piece of foil on top of it. And I put it back in the oven. At least another half an hour to an hour because I like mine well done. Now what I'm going to do before I put it back in, halfway through the cooking time, flip it over. That way both sides get done and they have good juices on them. And we'll use the pan drippings to make gravy. And put the foil back on. And put it back in the oven. Now the reason why I personally put the foil on it is to prevent it from over browning. Plus the fact it steams it to make it tender. I took it out of the oven just now with the biggest one at 160. Now remember, when you take stuff out of the oven and it's resting, it will climb in temperatures anywhere from 5 to 10 degrees more. That way you're not overcooking your stuff. I cover it to rest it. It's done. I'll plate it up for you. This is what it looks like done. I'm actually going to use this for my Christmas dinner video. Thank you for watching.